Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at XL Dryer. XL Dryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your XL hand dryer. This video will help you replace a sensor in your XLERATOrSync hand dryer spout. Unplug your dryer box so that power is removed before beginning the sensor replacement. Take a Phillips head No. 2 screwdriver and unscrew the sensor unit from the bottom of the hand dryer spout. Hold the screw before unscrewing it completely, as you want to prevent it from falling down the sink. Pull and slide the front of the nozzle out to have access to the sensor. If having difficulty removing, place the screwdriver's head at a 45-degree angle in the hole and tap gently on the handle to push it out. After sliding out the nozzle, pull the sensor unit gently along with the cable from the conduit to avoid any damage or loose connection from the base circuit board. Take the black plastic part with the sensor out from the metal nozzle and flip it so the green circuit board faces you. Put this metal nozzle off to the side. With a diagonal cutting plier, cut the zip tie without damaging the wire insulation. Use a needle nose plier and gently grab the clips to disconnect the connector from the green circuit board. Take the new sensor and attach it to the circuit board. Pass a zip tie through the two holes and connect it with the harness. Please make sure to orient the connector so it is in alignment. Cut the extra length of the zip tie. Place the black plastic piece securely in the metal nozzle, making sure the sensor light is aligned with the hole in the nozzle. Gently push the wire in the conduit and slide the sensor unit along with the nozzle back into place. While pushing the sensor in, gently pull the wire from underneath the sink to eliminate any slack. Slide the front of the nozzle back so it is flush with the edge of the sensor mounting. Replace the screw you set aside earlier using the No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Restore power and test for proper operation. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at XL Dryer at 800-255-9235.